Hi friends, today's Igbo animal spotlight is a bumpy little hopper you might spot after the rain. Can you guess who it is? It's Uwa, the toad. In Igbo, a toad is called Uwa. Say it with me, Uwa. One more time, Uwa. Good job. Do you know Uwa has dry, bumpy skin, not smooth like its cousin, the frog? It prefers to live on land, especially in cool, shady places. But guess what? Uwa often visits Uwa Mmiri when the weather is hot or during breeding season to lay its eggs close to water like a guest, not a full-time resident. It hops, not leaps, and when it feels threatened, it puffs up to look bigger. Smart move, right? Uwa may not be fast or flashy, but it minds its business and always finds a cool spot to chill. Kind of like that classmate who's quiet but always knows what's going on. Let's practice again. Say it loud. Uwa. Good job. Now, let's try a sentence in Igbo. Uwa na-apụta mgbe mmiri na-ezo. That means the toad comes out when it's raining. That's it for today's spotlight on Uwa the toad. We'll keep learning Igbo one animal at a time. Until next time, ka ọ dịnụ, gaa nke ọma.